I'm Randy and I make candy, and tonight I'm making chocolate graham truffles. Stick around. Greetings, my confectionery compadres, and welcome to Randy Makes Candy, where I help you make tasty treats that people love to eat. Independence Day is almost here, and I wanted to make a treat that would kind of represent the holiday. I decided on a truffle with a chocolate graham cracker filling, kind of like a cake pop, appropriately decorated, but I thought I would try adding some pop rocks to the mix. The idea was that as you chewed it, the popping in your mouth would be reminiscent of fireworks. Will it be a booming success or just a flash in the pan? Stick around to find out. As always, I'd love to hear about your results if you decide to make your own chocolate graham truffles, as well as suggestions for other recipes you'd like to see in future videos. For this recipe, I used 6 chocolate graham crackers, 1/4 cup of powdered sugar, 1/8 teaspoon of salt, 3 tablespoons of softened cream cheese, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, some pop rocks, 10 ounces of white chocolate, and some red and blue candy melts. I also used some zip-top bags, a couple of bowls, a spatula, a scoop, and a lined cutting board. Okay, let's make some candy. Combine the graham crackers, confectioner's sugar, and salt. You can do this in a zip-top bag like I did, or you can use a food processor. Reduce the graham crackers to crumbs and mix until everything is combined. In a mixing bowl, combine the cream cheese and vanilla and cream them together. Add the dry ingredients and the pop rocks and mix until you have kind of a crumbly dough. At this point, I began to hear premature popping, and I began to think that my fireworks in your mouth idea was not destined for success. Scoop some of the filling, form it into a ball, and place it on the lined cutting board. Continue with the rest of the filling. Melt the white chocolate, dip a ball into the chocolate, let it drain, and return it to the cutting board. The coating was a little thinner than I cared for, and I had plenty of white chocolate, so I dipped them all a second time. Melt the red and blue candy melts and drizzle them over the white chocolate. I thought that since putting pop rocks in the filling didn't seem like it was going to work, maybe using some as a topping would bring some pop to the party. Leave the truffles on the counter to set. And that's it. Okay, let's have a taste. Sláinte. While these are surprisingly tasty, just like I feared, hardly any popping at all. So the fireworks in your mouth idea is a dud. On the upside though, the pop rocks do add a little crunch to the crisp coating and the soft filling, kind of rounding out the texture profile. And I really didn't expect this, although perhaps I should have, but the fruity flavors of the Pop Rocks come through really well, pairing nicely with the chocolate flavors. So even though these didn't turn out exactly the way I'd hoped, they're good enough that I can enthusiastically say, you really ought to try these. If you enjoyed your time here in the Candy Kitchen, please like, share, and subscribe. Happy Independence Day, compadres, and I hope you join me next time. You can do this in a Zip-Tok bag. Zip-Tok? It's like TikTok. In a mixing bowl, combine... I also used some and I really didn't expect this, although perhaps